Customers don't often walk in saying,
"Hey, tire dealer, my tread pattern is cupping due to irregular wear."
it's usually vague, sometimes barely sensical descriptions, and it's your job to translate those into real diagnostic steps. Let's talk about how to decode these complaints quickly and accurately next. Let's start with a good one I know you've heard before.
My car vibrates sometimes.
When customers describe vibrations that come and go, it might point toward balance issues, flat spotting after sitting, or a wheel weight that parted ways with the rim. Ask whether the vibration happens at a certain speed. If it's around 45 or 60 miles per hour, that's your cue to take a closer look at balance and wheel condition. See, that's where the tire's rotational frequency usually hits the sweet spot where imbalance forces peak. At low speeds, an imbalanced tire doesn't generate enough centrifugal force for the driver to really feel it. Around 45 miles per hour, that force increases enough to create a noticeable shake in the steering wheel or seat. By 60 miles per hour, the imbalance often hits its resonance point, meaning the vibration is strongest and most notable. Above that, depending on the vehicle, the vibration may smooth out again due to suspension geometry and natural harmonics. Then, there's this one.
It pulls a little, but only on certain roads.
Well, a slight pull doesn't always mean there's an alignment issue. It could be uneven tire wear, mismatched inflation, or even a separating belt. A quick pressure check and tread comparison across the axle can save you time and rule out easy fixes before you jump straight to the alignment rack. Now, this next one is my favorite.
I hear a womp 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 noise.
Classic stuff. This one usually points to cupping, feathering, or a rotation that's overdue by, well, a lot. A short test drive can confirm the rhythm of the noise and help pinpoint which tire needs attention. When your team learns to translate customer descriptions into real mechanical clues, diagnosing gets faster, communication gets easier, and customers feel like you understood them from the moment they walked in. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.